Look who I have.
Harmless. They won't bite.
Hi.
They will run.
This is one of our
I
snakes.
saw two just running around here.
Hi. How are you?
And they're the water snakes?
Well, maybe the swan's going to have some for lunch.
He's just jealous. He's getting they're getting all the attention.
I don't think they would eat those, would they?
No. Look at them all on the rock. Hi. He's like, why are you bothering me? 'Cause you're so cool. Look at the big one. Hi. How are you? Yeah, are you stuck in there? Ah, snake love.